Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor X8. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open a browser, and right here we can customize it. So follow through the introduction if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Now there's three different options. You can show your device wallpaper, or show most viewed sites, or show newsfeed in the home screen of Microsoft Edge. I'm gonna click on next and enable all of them. Here, sign in to turn on synchronization, or skip it by clicking on Not Now, and set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Lastly, there's a data sharing preference which you can accept or disagree, and click on Confirm. From here, your browser should be ready. You can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.